Good morning, student. This is Hansa, your maths teacher, and today we will start the new chapter of class 9th, chapter 2, name is polynomial. And I think you have done in 8th class and in junior 7th class also. And the sum topic that will cover in 9th class will similar to the 8th or 7th class. And in this chapter, what we will cover, what we will discuss? We will discuss the definition of polynomial and coefficient, constant and variable, and the term on the basis of degree, how the polynomial can be classified, and what are the zeros of the polynomial. Is 0 is same for same degree polynomial or different? Factors or Remainder theorem and identities which are applicable in polynomial. And first, before starting the chapter, we have to know what is the meaning of polynomial. Polynomial. Here is polynomial. Polyclinic means clinic बहुत सारे. Poly means many. Nomials means term which has many terms. It means many terms. That terms can be expressed? Yes. This can be expressed in algebraic form. Algebraic is the word which comes from algebra. I think you know the meaning of algebra. You have know very well algebra. Algebra is the branch of maths which deal with different symbols, numbers like 1, 2, 3 and symbol x, y, z, a, b, c. When they are joined together, algebra, and combined together, when they combine together and express itself in what form? A constant into a variable. Means when 2 and this x, when we express algebra in form of 2x or in form of 2x square or in form of 4x square plus 2x or in form of 3x plus 5, these all are the algebraic expression which consist x, or it may be also 3x plus y plus z, which consist x, y and z. These are variable and the one word is variable. And 2, 4 and 2, 3, 5 all are constant. The algebraic expression which contain constant and variable and the coefficient. Here we will know the coefficient and we have to define what is the coefficient. Here we have to know the coefficient is 2, coefficient is 4. That involve in which the expression in which there is an involvement of plus sign, minus sign, multiply and divide. Plus sign, and here it can be minus with and divide. All are the mathematical operation in which the polynomial having some variable and the power of that variable is non-negative number, non-negative integers, means in a whole number. It means power of the variable is always in whole number 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Non-negative integral This is known as polynomial. That means we can say the polynomial, it is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, this one, consisting of variable. Variable, what is variable? We will know. And the coefficient. Coefficient that involve. What involve? The operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the operation, plus, minus, multiply and divide. These are all mathematical operations, simple mathematical operation, with which the non-negative integer exponent of variable, non-negative means non-negative value. It means power is always, exponent is always non-negative. Means it should always in whole number, and power may be 0 but may not be negative number. This is the polynomial. And here you know the polynomials many terms, and you know also the word is constant. What is the meaning of constant? I have 1 rupees coin. I have 1 rupees coin. The value of this 1 rupees coin is 1, and it can't change. It can't change. 5, 6, we can not say. What is the value? What is the value? 6. We never say this is equal to 7. We never say this 6 is equal to 7. This is 7. We never say the 7 is equal to 8. 7 means 7, 8 means 8, 6 means 6. We can't change the value of 6, 7, 8, which is always fixed. The value which we know is known as constant. The fixed value is known as constant. Known value is known as constant. Fixed value is known as constant, and the value which is not fixed, or we can say that the value which we don't know, means unknown value, is known as variable. Constant like this 2, 8, 9. Variable like x, y, z, a, all are variable. It means they are unknown value, their value is not fixed, and they are known value, their value is fixed, which is constant. And having the coefficient. What is the meaning of coefficient? Before starting the coefficient, you know what is this? It is a square A, B, C and D. The side of the square is 3. That means 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. It is fixed. Then what is the perimeter? Perimeter 4 into side. Here you know the side of the perimeter. Side of a square, sorry. Side of a square. You know the side of a square which is equal to 3 centimeter, which is fixed. Then we can say perimeter is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. And if the side is 4, then you can find out. But if you don't know the side of the square, if the side of a square you don't know, then what is the perimeter? 4 into side. Then we have to let this side be x, this side be x, and this side be x, this side be x, and this side be x. Then what is the perimeter? P is equal to 4x. This 4 is the coefficient of which one? X. 4 is the coefficient of x. And now, if the side of the square is x, then what is the area? Side into side, side into side. And similarly, we can say that x into x, and I think it is equal to x square. And the coefficient of this x square here is not mentioned. If the coefficient of any variable is not mentioned, that we have to assume the coefficient of x square is 1. It means coefficient is the value of the variable whose coefficient we have to find out. And now some point, for example, 4x plus 3x square minus 9x cube plus 6x 6. These are all 4x 3x square minus 9x cube plus 6 algebraic expression. Variable is x and constant is 4, 3, 9 minus 9 and 6. This 4 is the coefficient of x, whereas x is a variable. And this 3 plus 3 is the coefficient of x square. And minus 9 is the coefficient of x cube. And 6 is the constant term. And what is the power of here is 6? Oh, x is 0. 6 power of x is 0, which is equal to 1. It means 6. We can write 6 into 1 and this 6 x power 0. And these are the term 1, 2, 3, 4. If I have written x square plus 9x minus 3, then what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is minus 1. Coefficient of x is 9. And constant term is 3. And this is the algebraic expression in form of what? In form of plus and minus operation, and also consisting the variable, and the power of a variable is non-negative number. And now, on the basis of term, on basis of term, polynomial can be classified. Classification of polynomial. And on the basis of the term, first is, if I write 2x to 4x square 3x cube, it and 2 and x, 2 multiplied to x, it is monomial. Why? Means it has only one term. Mono means one. Mono means one. Mono means one term. 2 is also one term. Here is also one term. Here is also one term. All are the example of one term. Therefore, these terms are called monomial. Why? Because they have only one term. 2 is the coefficient of x. 2 is constant term. 2 is constant term. And we have to write 2x power 0. It means the power of this 2, which is a constant, and if we want to express in terms of x, then we have to write power of x is 0. Here is 4x square, coefficient of x square is 4, coefficient of x cube is 3. All are one term, therefore they are monomial. And the binomial, if 3x square plus 5, here is 3x square and 5. 3x square is one term and 5 is other term. It means this polynomial having two term. This polynomial having two term. Therefore, this polynomial is binomial. Bino means binomial. Bino means two. Mial means term. It contains two term. And here is a mathematical operation plus. It means mathematical operation separate the term. Plus, minus, only plus and minus. Mathematical operation which one? Only plus and minus are the two mathematical operation which separate the term, which identify the term. And but 3x square, here is plus 5x cube. This 5 is multiplied to x cube, therefore it is only one term. This is only one term. 1 plus 1, it make 2 term. And the polynomial of 2 term is known as binomial. And it means, what is the example? And 3x cube plus 5 plus 7x. Here is minus 1 term, 3x square, 5 is the other, 7x minus 7x. 1, 2, 3. This polynomial consists 3 term. One is 3x square, other is 5x, other is 5, other is minus 7. It has 3 term, therefore it is cubic trinomial. It is trinomial. When a polynomial consists 3 term, it is trinomial. The polynomial with 3 term is known as trinomial. Tri means T-R-I, tree. Trino. Tri means teen. Monomial means term. Means 3 term. And all the example of this one. First is example, example and example. What is this example? 3x, 7, 3x square plus 5x, 5, 5x cube plus 2. And here is 3x cube plus 2 plus 7x, 3x square plus 2x plus 5. This is monomial, this is binomial, this is trinomial. And on the basis of degree, we can classify. First is linear polynomial. Linear means straight. On the basis of degree, the linear polynomial, the polynomial with degree 1. What is the meaning is degree? Degree is the highest power of a variable. Highest power of a variable. Degree. Highest power of a variable. Degree. What is the meaning of degree? Highest power of variable. Highest power of variable is known as degree. On the basis of degree, first is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. The polynomial with degree 1 means ax plus b, ax or 3x plus 2. It may contain 1 term, 2 term, but the power is highest power. But the highest power of a polynomial is always equal to 1. Here is ax plus b. This is 0, and here is ax. It means x power 1, x power 1. Here is x power 1. Here is highest power of a variable is 1. Highest power of a variable is 1. Highest power of a variable is 1. Therefore, it is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, a polynomial which has degree 1 and degree is the highest power of a variable is known as linear polynomial. Example, standard form of this is ax plus b, and this a never equal to 0. And a is non-zero integral. A is non-zero integral. Quadratic polynomial. The polynomial quadratic polynomial are those polynomials which has degree 2. Degree means that highest power 2x square plus 5, 3x plus 5x square plus 3. This is highest power of a variable. Power highest is 2, therefore degree is 2. Degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial are those polynomial which has degree 2. Quadratic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 2. Example, standard form ax square plus bx plus c, and this will be a never equal to 0. It means a is non-zero integral. If a equal to 0, what will happen? If a equal to 0, if a equal to 0, then 0x square plus bx plus c, then it will form bx plus c, which will be linear, not quadratic. And now cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, the polynomial with degree 3. the polynomial which has maximum power is 3 is known as cubic polynomial. For example, 3x3 plus 4x square plus 9. Here is 9x 0 plus 3x cube plus 4x square. What is the power of this x is 2. What is the power of x is 3. What is the power of this x is 0. The highest power of x is 3. Highest power of x is 3. Therefore, degree is 3. The polynomial with degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. Example, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and a not equal to 0. Again, if a equal to 0 in cubic polynomial, then it will form the quadratic polynomial. By quadratic polynomial, the highest power of variable is 4, that will form the biquadratic polynomial. Means, example, ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus में a not equal to 0. And this is the standard form of the polynomial. What is the meaning of standard form of variable? Mean we have to arrange the variable in decreasing order of their power. Always arrange decreasing order of their power. These are the, on the basis of degree we can classify. But the degree of constant polynomial. Now it is a problem. Constant polynomial. Constant is 0, constant is 3, constant is 4. Generally constant, degree of constant polynomial. Degree of constant polynomial. If we are not assuming this 0, if the constant polynomial like C polynomial is always, degree of constant polynomial is 3x0. This is the constant polynomial. 3 can be expressed, 3x is 0. So what is the degree of this one? 0. So degree of constant polynomial is, what is the degree of constant polynomial? 0. And degree of 0 polynomial, 0 polynomial degree is equal to not defined, no definition. इसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. It is not defined. That means degree of 0 not defined, degree of constant polynomial is 0, and degree of linear polynomial is 1, degree of quadratic polynomial is 2, degree of cubic polynomial is 3, degree of biquadratic polynomial is 4. And today you have to revise the degree polynomial and exercise. Which one? Exercise is 2.1. You have to complete. And before starting the next topic we will discuss to find out the zeros of the polynomial. Be good day. Thank you.